Are you tired of accidentally exposing everyone's email when you send a group message? Learn to hide them in under 2 minutes. Here's how to use BCC in Gmail. First, open a new email, then add the BCC field, and finally, enter your recipients there. Start by heading over to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on the Compose button in the upper left corner to open a new message. Now, on the right side of the To field, click BCC to add a blind carbon copy field. Go ahead and type all your recipient email addresses into the BCC field. Next, enter your subject line. Then, type out your message in the body area. Finally, click Send. Each recipient will receive the email without seeing anyone else's address. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.